In our previous lecture, we had issues while loading the user. So now what we will do, we are just going to protect our routes. Before that, let me close all the files. Now inside this components folder, I will be creating one file. Scroll up. Inside this, I will create the file protected_route.jsx. Here I will be writing RFCE, and inside this I will access some values from state. Const I need is authenticated, as well as I need loading from. I will be writing use selector, and inside this I will pass state.user, and above this I'm just going to import this use selector. Import use selector from React-Redux. Now from this route directly I'm just going to return the element which we will be passing as child element for this protected route, and that we are going to accept as a prop. Okay, later on when we pass this you will understand, but as of now just remember this protected route will be accepting one prop, and this will be the prop which will have complete route information which has to be displayed only when user is authenticated. And directly from this protected route we are going to return that element. Below this we will check for the condition if loading. Instead of displaying that loading text, what I will do, open. Here I will be writing return, and I'm just going to return this loader. And above this, I'm just going to import loader. I will come inside this components folder. Inside that, we are having loader.jsx. Below this, I will check for another condition. If user is not authenticated, I have passed this not. Then what I will do, I'm just going to return this navigate. Here I will be passing to, inside which I'm just going to pass this login. If the user is not authenticated, directly move to login page. Instead of showing that errors, directly move to login page. Now copy this. Below this, I'm just going to import navigate from React Router DOM. So here we are using navigate component from React Router DOM. Previously, we have used use navigate hook. Do not get confused between two. Maybe you might have questioned what is the difference between navigate component and use navigate hook. If you want to return some JSX, then accordingly we will be using this navigate. And if you want to use inside some functions, then we will be using our use navigate hook. And multiple times we have seen how to use navigate. So this is our protected route. Now what we will do, open app.jsx, and inside this we have to protect this profile route. So this entire element we will be passing as a child for this protected route. So just focus how I will be writing that. I will create another element, and inside this I will be passing this protected route, hit enter, and then I will be closing. Now inside this protected route, this entire element I will copy, and that I will be passing as a prop. Okay, very simple. So in this route, what I have done, for this entire profile, I have just wrapped inside this protected route. Here we are passing element, and for this protected route, this element we will be passing as a prop. And if the user is not authenticated, so what we will do, this profile we will be passing it here. If it is loading, loader will be shown. If user is not authenticated, we will be redirected to login. If loading is done and if the user is authenticated, then simply we are going to return element. And in this case, what element we will return? We will return this profile element. I will sign in Hanam test ad1@gmail.com. Password, hit enter. Okay, fine, I'm getting. Click on account, I'm having the result. Now as soon as I click on logout, I will have logout successful message. I am not having any errors, and successfully I will be redirected to login page. Now I am logged out and is authenticated is set to false. Now if I try to access profile page, let us see what happens. Hit enter. Again, I will be redirected to login page. Why? Because is authenticated is false and we are not having any user. So that is the reason we should not be redirected to profile page. So in this way, we have protected our routes. Whenever we are working with larger application, it is very important to protect our routes. But now if I sign in, I will be able to access profile page. hanamtestad1@gmail.com, password, sign in, login successful, account. Now you can see successfully we are able to access this user profile page where we are displaying user profile image, username, email, and finally when they have joined, all that information we are displaying.